What's up, people? Good morning. How are you all doing? Sandeep Ramesh, the Z900 dude here. So this is the place where I am, right? Pretty big apartment complex in JP Nagar. And the guy ahead of me is Mohan. He's the admin of Bros. I mean, this is what biking brotherhood does, right? I mean, there are so many people in my apartment and, I hardly get to see anybody of them. But because of biking, we got to know each other. I've been in Bangalore all my life, right? And I think this is the first time I'm getting a green at silk board. Woohoo! Isn't that something? Getting a straight green at silk board? Only people of Bengaluru will know this feeling. This is Ashok on a street triple RS. This is called Hasu BMW GS900. So today we are en route to a very peculiar place called Kailasagiri Hills. Now this is about 80 kilometers from Bengaluru, right? And today's lineup is about 16 bikes. Yes, 16. So ahead of me is Mahesh, who rides a Ninja 1000. But since today we are going off-roading, he's got his T.R.I.B.E 500. So we have a Ducati Monster 821. It's a nice Triumph. We have a Duke 390. That's a V-Storm 650. Ahead of me is Vishwas on the 2020 Kawasaki Z900. This is an Africa Twin. This is the rest of the lineup. We have Girish on a GS1200, Ashok on an RS, Rag on Versus X300, and Rebel on a Street Triple S. This is a Super Splendor. We have a Multistrada. And of course, the tiger ahead of me. That's Kiran, who rode up till Rajasthan with me. So here's the interesting fact, right? I look at the Odo. It's about 17,492 kilometers. Now I think I've done about 13 to 14,000 easily along with him. Look at the ADVs go, man. They just literally fly on the humps. Someone like me who's riding as a middleweight street naked. Slow down, let the hump go, then let pass. Look at them. And this is me. Savor this moment. We're at the countryside, and 16 of us who are ruling the roost. So beautiful. Countryside of roads. Okay, the off-roading trails begins. Trails. Okay, this is the first time that I've ever been on a off-roading trail. No, right side track ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹಾಂ Yes, okay. Not bad, huh? Third gear. I'm the first of the street nakeds to come. Oh.